take it back to Byron Bay, the day you told me to quit drinking and thinking that I was gonna die before 30. Your mom was so worried about all those kids in the house tearing picture frames down. Our fathers were never around when we were younger. So let me go. I saw you on the river's edge, dragging on a plastic cigarette, with your swim top still wet.